In this video, I want to show you how you can check if a stock pays dividends on Trading 212. Now this is really simple, guys. What you want to do is you want to find the stock, so you can go in here and look for it, or you can simply search for it. Now in this case, let's just choose anything. So let's do Apple. Search for it and then open up the Apple one. Now in here, what you want to do is you want to scroll down and look for dividend yield. If this is above 0%, it means it will pay dividends. So Apple pays dividends. Now this is quite low, but they do pay dividends since it's above 0%. We can do another one. We can do Tesla. You can see they don't pay any dividends. Now let's try and do Nvidia. And we can see that they do also pay, but a very small amount. But that's basically how that works, guys. If we go in here and we just choose anything, there's also a dividends one where you can see companies that pay them. Let's do Mercedes. Scroll down, you can see they have a very high dividend yield compared to the others. So that's basically how you can check if the companies pay dividends. Now, I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.